Welcome back to the Mastrovich Dental Implant Mechanical Rescue channel. And you've been wondering what's involved at an appointment. You'd like to have an overview of what to expect. The good news, it's a very comfortable procedure. You won't be sedated, you won't need a driver, but you're welcome to bring a family member or a friend. We have a special chair that we position so that person can see and hear everything Dr. Mastrovich is doing and explaining to you as he works underneath the clinical 25 power microscope, and it's all visible up on the big screen in front of you. You're able to see it, your friend or family member is able to see it. It's a lot of bright shiny metal, so nothing bloody or gory, but it is fascinating to most people. And it's good to know that at the end, Dr. Mastrovich is able to show you the pictures that he's taking throughout the procedure, and that will also go in the report to your doctors as well as to you. And the report will also include the explanations that he gives you, because most patients want to know, well, why did this happen? And no offense, Dr. Mastrovich, how do I never have to see you again? In other words, what needs to be done differently moving forward so that this would not be a repeat performance? Thanks again for tuning into our channel, and look for us next time with the next steps on your journey.